So yes, my guys, so you all hope all will be fine and doing very awesome. As you can look here, the signal, and we opened few trades on index boom, and also posted this signal in our Telegram group with big lot size. Okay, not other mentors like they say always use money management. We have trust in our system and in power of our system. We posted this trading group, and people also made awesome profit from our Telegram group signal. This was free of cost, the signal, and people made awesome profit. Here you can see on Telegram, this is our group, and here you can see we posted the signal with 50 lot size. And look here the reactions, how people made profit. So this is the power of our spy kill system. Look here on 2 boom 300 and boom 500 is multiple spikes, and we made awesome profit. Okay, now I open one more trade on boom 300. Let's see, I'm waiting for this. So this is the power of system. If you guys want to purchase and want to have this system, please check the description, chat with the team. They are here to help.